So today I wanted to give a quick demonstration on the Vanderbilt Access Control Reader Compatibility chart, which is a great visual aid for helping you find what Vanderbilt readers match what Vanderbilt access control systems. Now the chart itself can be found on our resources section of our website, and it's easy to find at the top of this page. By clicking in here, it will take us to the chart itself, which you can see is very straightforward to use. So on the left hand side we have our readers, and across the top here we have our access control systems, and the blue tick indicates which reader matches with which access control system. This can be filtered further, so for example I want to see our Bluetooth readers, and as the chart will show, these currently are compatible with our ACT Enterprise system. Now each reader also contains a link to our Vanderbilt web shop. And here more information can be found on each specific product. So for example, we have a full product description down here. Here we have our technical data, and under documentation you will see localized data sheets as well as a user manual. And finally, under useful links, you will just get some additional marketing information on the product that you have clicked on.